There it is. Left side.
There it is.
Yeah.
We could jump the fence.
Yeah, that's illegal.
It's only illegal if you get caught.
If we Farmer Johnson, we'd probably get caught.
Oh man.
Here we go.
Oh, that's so close. That
Here
is
we
so
go.
Close. Come on.
Yep, there it is.
There it is. There it is. There it is.
Come on.
Touchdown, baby. Touchdown. Touchdown.
That's not on the ground.
It's about to be.
Yeah. That's one thing we can't really see on the ground from here, but it's damned close. Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, that's a tornado.
Yeah.
Tornado. That is a tornado. Nice.
Touchdown.
Tornado.
Yes.
There we go. Tornado.
Touchdown. First tornado. There you go. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
That is gorgeous. Wow.
Oh my goodness,
I'm getting it on
guys!
video, Andrew, just so you know.
Oh, you are? Awesome. Thank you, CJ.
I just thought about it.
Oh my God.
Roll it in.
I did.
Wow.
That is beautiful.
That is spectacular. I hope I am not ruining anyone else's video.
Probably on 34, you know.
Yeah. That's
get
what
up
the
there.
mezzo was set up right over.
Touchdown.
Touchdown.
It's on the ground.
Yes! Woo!
Touchdown. Your first tornado. There you go.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's
That is
beautiful!
gorgeous.
Oh my goodness,
I'm getting it on
guys!
video, Andrew, just so you know.
Oh, you are?
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you, CJ.
I just thought about it.
Oh my god.
Call it in.
I did.
Wow.
That is beautiful.
Spectacular. I hope I'm not ruining anyone else's video.
Probably on 34, you know.
Yeah. That's where the mezzo was set up right over it.
Alright, CJ, you're filming, right?
Yep, I'm filming.
Okay, alright.
That's what I'm talking
Keeping it
about.
as steady as I can, which, you know, whenever we review this won't be that steady, but it's in frame at least.
Lighting.
Perfect.
This is beautiful.
I'm gonna switch
Oh,
lenses.
look, she's crying.
Aw. Here you go, picture. Look this way.
Oh, watch out for your camera, bro.
Got it.
Just so they can be jealous.
Man, there's that moment today where I just thought, this is...
Oh, wow. Excellent forecasting skills.
dumb luck, at least on my part. I don't know about you guys.
I'm joking because certain someone said something about that before. We're like, well,
On video right now.
Got it.
12Z in-car ensemble.
There we go.
12Z in-car
I feel like it's
ensemble
going to be
got something
big
right.
here in
That's
a
all I-
minute.
Yeah, it's going to put down another one. Okay. I guess first tornado has lifted.
Yep, just in case.
It's gonna go down again, I think.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Rain. I think it's rain.
I think it's rain.
Okay.
Are you sure?
I'm really not sure.
It might be part of the
It
rain,
looks
like the
a very
rain foot.
broad circulation.
the falls behind the storage. We won't get another rating until after the tornado is over tomorrow.
Yes.
That is awesome.
There is a tornado on the ground here northwest of Woodward, Oklahoma. You're watching live. Sure to follow behind the storms. It's on iTunes. For any of our usual listeners that know we are chasing tornadoes here in northwest Oklahoma. And we got one. As far as we know, they're in a very rural
That is amazing.
Nation to flash
Sun's
flood
going
warning.
down underneath.
I'm not surprised. Oh, wow.
Oh, this is about to be excellent.
This is so cool. There it is.
We're all a little bit excited over here. We're meteorologists from Norman, Oklahoma.
I'm just waiting for this thing to barrel out.
Yeah, I know.
That's what I'm waiting for.
You're still filming, so like I'm gonna start taking stills.
Yeah, no, you go for it. I've been filming the whole time.
Paulina, do you want to get a picture with it?
Yes.
Get in front of it. Get in front of it real quick. Get in front of it.
Here, hold on. You stay there. I got you too.
Perfect.
Oh, that is awesome.
Good job.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Thank you.
Andrew, will you hit trigger
Yes.
on mine as well?
Yes.
Am I fine?
Yep, you were good.
Got it. Oh, the sunset's awesome. That's gonna be beautiful.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Are you gonna take a
Excellent.
Let me get a cool picture. Okay, cool. You got it.
I'm GoProing this whole thing.
Yes, you are.
So what was this, number 3 now?
Yeah, I think so. It's hard to tell what was on the ground and what wasn't too.
I don't think I've seen one like this before. Sun setting just to the left of the tornado. Check it out.
Yep.
Pictures of me. Check that out, guys.
Oh my god!
Paulina's a little excited. Just a wee bit.
I'm sorry.
That's cool. That's cool. I'm
I'm
excited.
so happy.
Ooh, lightning.
Oh, lightning. I got it, guys.
Did you
Total
know?
lightning strike.
Very good, sir.
Yes. Totally in the blind. Oh my gosh.
That's so cool.
That is
amazing.
fantastic. That's a long-lived tornado.
It is.
Yeah, it's a pretty long
I mean, the parent circulation definitely looks like it did touch and go like 3 times.
Roughly, yeah.
rain wrap.
Yeah.
Circulation's forming off to the right here.
Yep.
Look at that, guys. There it is. Yeah, you can. We'll be on behind the.
All right, I'm gonna stop it. Oh.
Yes, it is a tornado. It is on the ground.
Hey, is that dust being kicked up in the middle there?
I think
Or is
so.
that rain?
I think it's rain.
I think it's rain.
Okay.
Are you sure?
I'm really not sure.
It might be part of the
It looks like a very broad circulation.
Follows behind the storms. We won't
Oh
know
my god.
until after the tornado is over tomorrow.
Yes.
That is awesome.
There is a tornado on the ground here northwest of Woodward, Oklahoma. You're watching live. Be sure to follow behind the storms.
It's pretty long-lived too. Nice.
For any of our usual listeners that know we are chasing tornadoes here in northwest Oklahoma. And we got one.
Oh, look at
North
that.
We're in a very rural part, as you can see by the terrain around us.
Oh, it is so laminar on the sides.
I issued the flash flood warning.
The sun's going down.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is
Oh.
about to be excellent.
This is so cool. There it is.
And we're all a little bit excited over here.
Nice.
We're meteorologists from Norman, Oklahoma. We are filming a beautiful tornado here at sunset. You can start seeing the sun.
Wow, it's going down.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm just waiting for this thing to barrel out.
Yeah, I know.
That's what I'm waiting for.
You here? Wow. It is really going on.
You're still filming, so like I'm